Adobe Incorporated, founded in 1982, has established itself as a global leader in software solutions for creative professionals. With a diverse portfolio of products and a commitment to innovation, Adobe has played a significant role in empowering creativity and transforming various industries. In this video, we will explore the success story of Adobe Incorporated and its contributions to the world of digital creativity. Pioneering digital creativity. Adobe's success story began with its pioneering efforts in bringing digital creativity to the masses. The company recognized the potential of digital technology in revolutionizing the creative process and developed software solutions that provided new possibilities for artists, designers, and photographers. Creative Suite and the rise of Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Creative Suite, launched in 2003, was a game changer for creative professionals. It brought together a suite of industry-leading software applications, including Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign, providing a comprehensive set of tools for design, photo editing, and desktop publishing. Among these applications, Adobe Photoshop stood out as a powerhouse, allowing users to manipulate and enhance digital images like never before. Transition to Creative Cloud. In 2013, Adobe made a strategic shift from perpetual software licenses to a subscription-based model with Adobe Creative Cloud. This transition allowed Adobe to provide regular updates and new features to its users, fostering a closer relationship with its customer base. The Creative Cloud model also facilitated seamless integration between different Adobe applications and enabled cloud-based collaboration, enhancing productivity and efficiency for creative teams. Expansion into new creative domains. Adobe's success can be attributed to its ability to expand into new creative domains and address the evolving needs of its users. The company has developed software solutions tailored for various disciplines, such as video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro, web design, Adobe Dreamweaver, motion graphics, Adobe After Effects, and user experience design, Adobe XD. This expansion has allowed Adobe to cater to a broader audience and establish itself as an essential partner for creative professionals across industries. Embracing mobile and touch-enabled devices. Recognizing the growing importance of mobile devices, Adobe has embraced the mobile landscape by developing mobile apps that bring creative capabilities to smartphones and tablets. Apps like Adobe Photoshop Express, Adobe Illustrator Draw, and Adobe Premiere Rush allow users to create, edit, and share content on the go. Furthermore, Adobe has optimized its software solutions for touch-enabled devices, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience for digital artists and designers. Integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Adobe has embraced artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies to enhance its software solutions. Through Adobe Sensei, the company's artificial intelligence and ML framework, Adobe applications can automate repetitive tasks, provide intelligent suggestions, and streamline workflows. This integration of artificial intelligence and ML has not only improved productivity, but also opened up new creative possibilities for users. Strategic acquisitions and partnerships. Adobe's success has been fueled by strategic acquisitions and partnerships. The company has acquired several innovative companies, such as Macromedia, 2005, the creator of Flash, and Behance, 2012, a leading online platform for showcasing and discovering creative work. These acquisitions have allowed Adobe to expand its product offerings and tap into new markets. Additionally, Adobe has formed partnerships with industry leaders like Microsoft and Google, enabling seamless integration with their respective platforms and services. Community engagement and education. Adobe has actively engaged with its user community and invested in education initiatives. The company has established the Adobe Creative Cloud community, an online platform where users can share their work, collaborate, and learn from each other. Adobe also provides educational resources, tutorials, and certification programs to empower individuals and foster the development of creative skills. Commitment to sustainability and social impact. Adobe is committed to sustainability and social impact. The company has set ambitious goals to reduce its carbon footprint and promote renewable energy. Additionally, Adobe supports various social initiatives, such as Adobe Creative Residency, which provides resources and mentorship to emerging artists, and the Adobe Foundation, which promotes creativity and digital literacy in underserved communities. Conclusion: Adobe Incorporated's success in empowering creativity with its software solutions can be attributed to its pioneering efforts, the development of industry leading applications like Adobe Photoshop, the transition to the Creative Cloud subscription model, expansion into new creative domains, embrace of mobile and touch enabled devices, integration of artificial intelligence and ML technologies, strategic acquisitions and partnerships, community engagement and education initiatives, and commitment to sustainability and social impact. By providing innovative tools and fostering a vibrant creative community, Adobe has transformed the way people create and has become an indispensable part of the digital creative landscape. As the company continues to innovate and adapt to evolving industry trends, its success story is set to continue, continuing to empower and inspire creative professionals worldwide.